What if I tell you you can use ChatGPT to get more views to your YouTube channel? Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to get more views, more YouTube recommendation. I mean, like YouTube pushing your videos to the right audience. Okay, before you say, I know how to use ChatGPT to get my title, my description, listen, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. The first thing you're going to do, hit the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell. Guys, on this channel we share creativity and we grow together. So let's just go straight into this video. I'm going to be sharing my screen, all right, and this will work for any channel. Even if you're starting out today, you're already a guru, you've been here for months and years, this works perfectly for everybody. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen with you all. Bring your mind down and watch this video. Don't be in a hurry. I'm telling you, don't be in a hurry. Okay, so let's just go straight into my screen record. All right, so this is going to be the first thing you want to do is to go to your YouTube app. Follow me step by step. So you're going to go to your YouTube profile. Okay, so I want you to go to your home page. So this is like my home page. This is what it looks like right now. So I want you to click on your description. Already I have a description on this channel, but you know, if you're starting out, you don't have a description, congratulations, ChatGPT will help you to do this. So the thing we're going to do here, you can see here my description says, hello my lovelies, I'm Creative Blessing, and I said what I said. Okay, so now I want to tell ChatGPT to look at my channel, look at this description. Let ChatGPT give me that SEO description that is going to help the algorithm to recommend my videos, like give it that recommendation potential. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So let me copy. Now go to this pencil icon if you want to copy your link. That's the link to your YouTube channel, because ChatGPT do not know your channel, so you need to copy the link. So let's head over to ChatGPT. All right, so this is my ChatGPT. So we're going to be asking ChatGPT simple, straight questions. So for this particular channel, if you've been following me on this channel, I share tips, YouTube growth, strategies, creativity, inspirational things like to motivate your soul and spirit. All right, a lot of that. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT, please, I'm going to be polite. All right, so I'm going to say, please give this channel the proper description to enable YouTube recommendation. Okay, so I'm gonna drop the link I just copied, so I'm just gonna paste that. I already copied that, so let's just give it to ChatGPT. So the question is simple and direct. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT, please give this channel the proper description to enable YouTube recommendation, and I pasted my link. Are you guys following me? So now it says it looks like your YouTube channel Creative Blessing. This is ChatGPT talking. Has a brief about description that reads, hello my lovelies, and it's just trying to tell me what it went to see on my channel. So it says a good description tailored for YouTube recommendation should go deeper. It should, you know, this app does a lot, like it has a lot of sense in it, so it does too much. So here it says clearly communicate what you offer, evoke why viewers should subscribe. All right, so let's see what it's going to give to me. Suggested updated description. All right, it says welcome to Creative Blessings. So now YouTube ChatGPT is giving me an updated description, like it's trying to refine the one I already have on my channel. So it say unleash your creativity through hands-on tutorials, inspiring art journeys, and imaginative DIY projects. Whether you're a seasoned artist looking for fresh ideas or curious beginner ready to explore, here you'll find creative DIYs and craft that make artistry fun. See, guys, this is a lot of grammar. Me and you know what you're gonna be posting on your channel, okay? Now, I like this part where it says unleash your creativity through hands-on tutorials. So, guys, you're not just going to copy everything ChatGPT will say here and go and post it on your channel. You need to go through them, edit them, and refine them in a way that suits what you're going to be posting. So my channel, this particular channel, you guys know I post more of YouTube tips, strategies, and some of those YouTube motivations, like to motivate new content creators and all of that stuff right here. So now I'm going to say unleash your creativity through hands-on YouTube tutorial. Sounds good, right? All right, let's go down and see. It's still saying a lot though, a lot. I don't want to bore you guys with reading. Now let's get to this end part that says, let me know if you would like help customizing it further, maybe adding specific themes you're passionate about or reflecting your unique style. Good. So now you see, it's trying to tell me, okay, is there something you're passionate about? Like, is there something you post on your channel, something you love to do, you want me to narrow down? So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, yes. Narrow this. Okay, let me say yes. Okay, narrow this to YouTube strategy and um YouTube growth tips. Okay. All right, guys. So if you're not into YouTube growth, YouTube strategy, and all of those stuff, you're into fashion, you're into cooking, vlogs, you can do the same thing. All right. So ChatGPT just wants you to communicate and tell them what you really want. So here it says, cut it. Very smart. Says since your channel creative lesson is focused on YouTube strategy and growth tips, not DIY and acts. All right, because the word creative makes it feel like, oh, I'm gonna be doing a lot of arts, creativity, and all of the stuff. No. So here it says, um, here's a refined channel description that will help you to recommend you better. God, I beg. So that's to say, I'm even the one that have been misleading the algorithm. Let me use that word. So yeah, it says, welcome to Creative Blessing, your guide to YouTube growth. I'm liking it. It says, want to grow your YouTube channel faster and smarter? Here you'll find simple, beginner-friendly tips and proven strategies to help you succeed on YouTube. Now, it went further to say, on this channel, you will learn how to get more views and subscribers and practical growth tips. 2. SEO hacks and keyword strategies to boost recommendations. 3. Content ideas and thumbnail tricks that attract clicks. Monetization tips to start earning from your channel. And the last one says step-by-step tutorials on using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut for your YouTube success. This is what I'm here for. This is what I'm here for. Like, guys, you all know. So ChatGPT has just broken it down. Now it says my mission is to help small YouTubers turn creativity into growth without the stress. Like, I'm feeling goosebumps already because like this app is, you just spoke my mind. Subscribe and let's grow together. Subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Now it's just telling me why this will work, because it's direct focus on YouTube growth tips. That's a clear niche, better recommendation, and it says beginner friendly wordings makes it easy for new YouTubers to connect. Keyword reach, that's YouTube growth. Now call to action, that's the last part, says subscribe and let's grow together. Now it's saying, do you want me to also write a short version, 2 to 3 line for your channel tagline so it shows neatly on mobile and search review? Oh my lord. It also wants me to like make it shorter because some of us don't have the luxury of time to read a lot. So I'm just gonna say yes. I don't have anything to say more than yes. So yes, and let's see. Perfect. Here are three short taglines option you can use for your channel bio preview. So here, the first one says proven tips and strategies to grow your YouTube channel fast. Views, subs, and monetization made simple. Second one says helping small YouTubers succeed with growth hack, SEO trick, and easy tutorials. Guys, trust me, if you do this on your channel, I mean, if you're into fashion, cooking, and you take your time to really work on this description, you see that recommendation you're working so hard to get, guys, you will get it. So let's just call this like a part one of using ChatGPT to get more views, because I literally do not intend making this video so long, right? Because the next thing we're going to be doing here, if you've watched to this point, I'm going to be customizing the YouTube banner. Okay, so let's go back to my YouTube app. Okay, so this is like my YouTube app. So let's go back to my profile. Um, okay. So here you're going to see this YouTube banner I have right here. Not really catchy. So I'm going to go back and tell ChatGPT, please create for me. Let's see what it's going to say. Yeah, like ChatGPT can actually give you a creative idea on what to do. So let's just go there. Let me not say too much. Let's go back to ChatGPT. So I'm gonna say, please create. I'm always polite and respectful. Yes, now. Please create a banner that matches my let's say that matches my channel. Okay. All right. All right. It has brought a design idea for us. Okay, so to design a banner that matches your channel, creative blasting, focus on YouTube growth and tips. We want it to look clean and professional, trustworthy for advice, eye-catching, so it actually stands out. Keyword color, people instantly know what your channel is about. Here's a concept. So it says banner concept for YouTube background, gradient shades, blue, purple, modern. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's telling me why it has to work, all of that stuff. So the last part here, it says question for you. Do you want me to generate the banner image for you right now so you can upload directly, or just give you the ready to use design file idea? Again, it wants to even create a banner for me. Please, let's go straight. Yes, so please do. Yes, generate the banner. Uh. Is that what you're asking me small, small? Chat GPT, yes, generate the. Oh, Chim, over excitement. I have gone to say yes, generate the idea. All right, whatever. I feel like it's still gonna give me what I want. I wanted to say generate the banner, but let's see what it actually brings out. Okay, so it's not really a bad one. So this is actually going to take some time, because when it's generating image, I know ChatGPT has a pro, like a pro version of it that you have to pay. This is like a free version, so you're not paying for the service. It's completely free. So let's see what this is going to generate. So while that is generating, guys, I hope you all understand this whole process, how to use ChatGPT to organize your channel description, channel banner, and there is a lot you can actually do with ChatGPT, like a whole lot. Okay, so for today's video, it's going to be about getting your description right and your YouTube channel banner. Okay, so while this is loading, it's going to take us some time. Wow, guys, this is really cool. Like, Just I had to do nothing. ChatGPT actually created this banner. So now, if you want to try this particular banner out, it is left for you. If you feel like okay, you want something more different, you can also do it whatever you want. Okay, but the truth is, ChatGPT will help you to organize your channel really well, from your channel description, every single thing you have to know about making your channel look more, recommendable and all of that stuff. So if you're starting out on YouTube, you don't need to go get any professional or any extra hand. You can do all of this on Chat GPT. So guys, tell me if you're going to try this out in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. All right. Bye.